This is Nurstar from Stark Galaxy, and welcome to this video where we are going through a brief tutorial on how to deal with CurveZero. First of all, we need to say some words about this project, which is a fixed rate loan protocol building on StarkNet, and actually it was one of the top projects to take part in the StarkNet hackathon that took place in Amsterdam last April during the DEF CON week. And it distinguished itself for its concepts and for its DeFi potential, let's say. So I was really waiting for this testnet to be shipped, and I really look forward to seeing their mainnet as soon as possible as well. But today, as I said, we are seeing how to play with their testnet. And first of all, to do so, we need to go to their website. So by clicking here on CurveZero, on the CurveZero's website, you'll end up in their dashboard. First of all, you'll have to connect your wallet. And then here above, you can see a guide option. And clicking on that, you'll be directed to these guidelines on how to approach their product. The first steps are about how to set up a StarkNet wallet and how to load it with Testnet ETH. But obviously we are going to skip these first steps, as you all must be familiar with them, or if you're not, I suggest you to look for some tutorials online on how to set up your either Argent or Bravos wallet and load it up with Testnet tokens, Testnet ETH. But for today, we are going to skip this part. And then let's see that we arrive here when we already have our StarkNet wallets filled with some Testnet ETH. And we need to go to we need to be on the CurveZero's page. And first of all, we need to mint some testnet USDC. That we can do that simply by clicking here on mint USDC. You'll be directed to your wallet, approve transaction. I will be waiting for the transaction to go through. Then you will do the same process for mint WETH, robbed ETH. And last but not least, you'll have to mint some CZT, so some CurveZero native token. You do the same process and you wait for the transaction to go through. Then you will have to wait for a couple of minutes. I actually did this process yesterday, so I already have my my tokens here. As you can see, you'll have to go back to the overview and you'll see your assets here. So I have some testnet robbed Ethereum, some testnet USD, and some testnet CurveZero native token CZT. And now we can play a bit with the protocol, with the DeFi protocol. And let's see, let's earn something. So and we click on deposits. We deposit, I don't know, like 2000 USDC. We sign that. We wait for the transaction to go through. And now we have $2,000 deposited on the earning section. And we have received, in exchange for that, we have received $1,995 LP tokens, liquidity pool tokens. And we are going to earn, obviously, an hypothetical yield of 2.3%. Obviously, as we all know, we are dealing with a testnet, so all the value here is our testnet tokens, so there's no actual value. But yeah, the estimated APY on the testnet for the time being is 2.3%. And now we are going to play a bit with the stake section here. We are going to stake some CurveZero tokens. I don't remember how many CurveZero we had, so we had 2000 CurveZero tokens, and we are going to stake, let's say, 1000. We approve the transaction and we wait for it to get through. We now have our 1000 CurveZero tokens staked. You can monitor your staking position on the stake dashboard. You have some interesting stake data that you can monitor here. You can notice that we are going to earn 0.44% from our staking tokens. Furthermore, we could also deal with the loan section that I actually played with a couple of hours earlier, and I placed I borrowed $500, placing 1 ETH as a collateral, and my borrowing position is going to last 3 months, and by then I'll have to pay back $503.92. And here below you have a lot of interesting and useful options that you can consult during your loan position. There's the collateral change option, the loan repayment option, the loan refinance option, the liquidate me option, which is pretty interesting, and this allows you to liquidate yourself in case you realize that you're never going to pay back the loan, and this would allow you to recover some remaining robbed ETH. And that's all, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. If so, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for watching. In case you have some questions or you encounter some troubles during your time on CurveZero, do not hesitate to contact the CurveZero team through a Twitter DM, and do not forget to follow their account. So guys, thanks a lot once again. See you next time. Love and L2s. Bye.